welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an exfoliating mask, and yes, it's going to be a DIY. So if you guys want to see how I do it and the ingredients I use, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so for this DIY I'm going to be using 5 ingredients. I'm going to be using milk, cinnamon, vitamin E oil, honey, and baking soda. And to start, I'm going to be using 3 teaspoons of milk. 1, 2, and 3. For the second ingredient, I'm going to be using vitamin E oil, and I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Now, the vitamin E oil is an antioxidant that protects and repairs the skin. And again, I'm using 1 teaspoon of the vitamin E oil. The next ingredient that I'm going to be using is 1 teaspoon of honey. That's the honey that I'm going to be using, organic raw honey. And I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of honey. So the honey naturally hydrates the skin. It's rich in antioxidants and has antimicrobial properties. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is cinnamon. I'm going to be using 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. The cinnamon has a warming effect on the skin, which brings fresh, oxygen-rich blood to the surface to kill bacteria and detoxify the skin to give a healthy natural glow. Next ingredient is baking soda, and I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of baking soda. So the baking soda provides exfoliation and gently scrubs away dead skin. Once we have all the ingredients in our bowl, we're going to mix them together. Alright guys, so I'm applying it all over my skin, and I'm going in with this foundation brush here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my fingers, and I'm gonna gently scrub. And with my finger, and I'm doing circular motions like so, and I'm gently, I repeat myself, gently scrubbing my face. Okay. Alright, and I'm gonna leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries, and then I'm gonna wash it off. Okay. It smells really good. You guys really need to try it. It smells amazing. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit more on my nose. Alright guys, so now that I have applied it, I'm gonna wait 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it off, and then I'll be back, okay? Alright guys, so I already rinsed off the mask off my face, and it feels really good. It feels amazing. It feels really soft and exfoliated. Now, one tip here, when you guys start rinsing off your face, make sure you guys start with warm water and end it with cold, because you guys want to close those pores again. Now, another thing, make sure you guys are extra gentle when rinsing your face, okay? We don't want to rub or tug on the face or be too rough on the face. Okay, so make sure you guys are extra gentle with your face. The same thing with drying. We want to pat dry. We don't want to be too harsh on the face, okay, on the skin. All right guys, so to finish off this video, I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer, and I'm gonna be using the Collagen 10 Day and Night Cream, which is this one here. All right guys, so I'm gonna be taking some of that, and I'm gonna be pressing it in my skin. Okay. And guys, if you guys actually try my DIY, this exfoliating DIY mask, then please let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Alright? Alrighty guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY, and I really hope you guys try it because my face feels amazing and exfoliated. So I hope you guys really do try it. Anywho, don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you on my next video. Mwah.